So a few years ago, one of my friends told me, he was like, Magnus, you know what? There's one JDM sports car out there that you can have girls in, and they won't complain, and that is the S15 Silvia. And now that I have one, I can tell you that it's not the case. This thing is actually pretty loud on the inside. And I don't know what it is. It is just rattly. It is just creaky. It is just road noise everywhere. Like, I wanted this car to be like a gentle car, right? And I picked Öhlins, I picked stuff that wouldn't be too obnoxious. But I'm starting to realize that naturally this car is very, very bare bones. Makes it light. It makes it very, very nimble. But at the same time, too, it also makes it a little bit of a pain in the ass to sit in. You know, on some days I wish that I can turn off like the off switch, make this car a little bit more quiet, more comfortable, and it's just not the car for that. And I respect it, you know. They didn't build it with those things completely in mind, and it's not the platform for it. And if it's the case where I'm going to hear outside noise all the time, you know, I might as well just put a good exhaust so I can hear that.
And that's exactly what I did. So I know you see the logo, and this is a Yashio factory super silent titanium exhaust. And it is absolutely beautiful, man. Look at the tip of this thing. And the welds on back, just as good quality as well too. Oh yeah, so I'm wearing gloves, not a serial killer, but this thing is full titanium, so check this out. It is light, man. It is so light. This thing is ridiculous. I don't think I've ever had an exhaust this nice. Usually SR20s make this like raspy sound, but this one makes it sound more like a Jay-Z, more high pitch, and it removes some of the raspiness. I think it was made just for people who wanted a more subtle exhaust, but at the same time, I don't think any other exhausts really sound like this thing. And this is also a custom option exhaust because this tip is usually like a burnt titanium, and I was like, nah, don't do that. Look, when I hold it like this, it looks like I'm playing an FPS or something. Goodbye, old exhaust. You did well.
What the hell is that? Is that a 14? That's a 14, right? That's a 14? It's a 14. I'm smart. Big brain. So I hit everything with PB Blaster beforehand, but knowing Nissan stuff, this shit's about to explode. Oh no, it came loose. Wow. Oh, that one came loose too. It's a sad, sad day when I'm actually like pleasantly surprised. Nothing's breaking, stripping underneath 90s shit boxes. Dude, there's rust in my eyes. Thank God. It's out. It's out.
So that's out, right?
I come down here, and this is what I see. There's no threads on that thing. I know what's gonna happen. You know, I PB blasted it. It's in the hands of God now. I'm gonna ugga this shit. Peace out, you more quick high fight. Did it work? I did not expect that. Actually, so take a look at this. So this little stand right here is in the middle of the pipe, right? But on the Yashio one, it looks like they intentionally put it like way lower. I know the pipe is like thicker, the diameter, but they're still trying to keep it as close to the body as possible so the whole thing doesn't scrape. Okay. new day, and one of my friends has invited me to go to this shop's open house, and I thought, what better way to do it than testing out my new exhaust on the way there. So I don't know how loud it actually is now, recording wise, so I might be yelling a little bit, but it sounds so much more lively right now. And even if you cruise, there isn't a lot of drone. It's pretty quiet, actually. It's only when you really push it that it truly makes noise. So we're going to catch up when we get there, and I'll probably ask him to help me record a few stuff too if he isn't too busy.
Here's a nice 33 GTR coming in.
That is Millennium Jade, I'm pretty sure. Oh, he's super low. I think people with Toyotas, their engine bays are just better.
The front looks pretty aggressive. And that made me full replacement.
That's
Here's
crazy.
definitely like
Everything is so clean. It's too shiny. I can't even record it, man. Look at the interior. Oh, wait, look at the door cards. The pattern on the door cards. And it's not even the same color. Like the dash is different than the glove box. That's so baller. Wait, is this a swap Prius? What is that thing?
it's a Corolla.
This wall is pretty crazy. It honestly looks like clones. Having three of them back to back to back.
They definitely have it down to a science too. That's for sure. So this is the shop. This is Billy's.
And the bay is painted. He did everything to match the gears, didn't he?
Yeah.
So we made it to the end of another video, and I want to thank all you guys for watching. If you couldn't tell, I actually did upgrade my camera setup in preparation for Japan, and I was testing out some POV stuff with this video too. The camera quality should be much better. Let me know if you like it or not. Same thing with my mic too. But this area is so scenic that I might as well start using this instead of a boring parking lot. So I actually might be going MIA a little bit because I'm going overseas for 3 weeks, and I know I've been saying it over and over and over again, but if you do want to follow me, I will be a little bit more active on Instagram as opposed to YouTube. Simply because when I'm over there, I'm probably going to focus more on recording, doing things, enjoying my time, rather than sitting down and editing, stressing over videos. I will come back, and the quality is going to be higher than it ever was before, or I'm aiming for it to be higher than it ever was before. But anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on Instagram next video, 2 months, whenever it may be. Thank you. Who's my people? Oh, I can't say that.